Hi there. I just wanted to show you how to quickly save or make a copy of the Google Docs files that we're going to be working with a lot here in Biology 185. So here in our Canvas shell, which we've got loaded up here, often in the modules area, I will have pretty much everything organized by day. But then in the module, I will often link to Google Docs, either for lecture or for lab. Our lab manual and our lecture guide are both in Google Docs. So here we are in lecture, and I'll take a look at Unit 1's learning guide. This is the first learning guide for our journey here in Biology 185. And you are free to use this and read it and print it off, do whatever you want with this document. But you might be saying to yourself, well, I'd like to take some notes on this, or I'd like to make a copy of this that I can then use and download. You know, there's a whole lot of good content in here. Maybe I want to make my own version. You can, of course, just copy and paste out of this, right? You can just quickly copy, paste, all that good fun stuff. But you can also, Google Docs has a couple of really nice abilities. So when you go down to the File menu here, you can, if you're a Google Docs user, you can simply make a copy of this file here and save it as your own Google Doc to your own Google Drive account, naming it whatever you want. So if you wanted to make your own digital copy in Google Docs, you can do that. The second thing, though, is you can also download a copy of this to yourself. You can download it in whatever format you want. I know for a lot of students, I think PDFs might work really well if you've got a tablet that you want to take notes on or highlight. I know I prefer reading my textbooks and information that way. You can download a PDF of the file, and then this will take a PDF. It often takes a little bit of time for Google to generate the PDF file here, but it generates that PDF. You can then save it on your computer, move it over to whatever device you have, and you have a fresh and clean PDF file of that work. So I just wanted to show you those two things. I hope that helps. Have a great day.